everyone, this is Morgan from Zhejiang Shanghai International Sales Department, and today I will introduce our new arrival items for you. Here we can see there is 2 pieces armchair and 1 piece love seat, and we can see the armchair. We can get close to see the size is very big. It's very suit for everybody to use it. And I want to introduce the fabric of this armchair. We can see the fabric is palm poly fabric. It's very soft, and our cushion is all use the UV resistant and waterproof functions fabric. And we can see the structure of this chair. We can see it's very small structure, and we totally use the handmade loop on the arm. So this is a very fashion design. So if you like our products, you can leave your message, and don't forget to give us a like below this video. I will see you soon. Bye.